I am Todd Lamb, creator of the Flat Belly Fix system, the top-ranked weight loss program on ClickBank. My goals: 1. To make the system as close to done for you as possible, and 2. It had to be transformational. It had to give you stunning, almost frightening results in a shockingly short amount of time. This is the only 21-day rapid weight loss system that allows you to easily lose an average of 1 pound a day for 21 days without feeling hungry or deprived. The new and unique techniques used are proven safe. My system combines an ancient spice together with other cutting-edge ingredients in the patent-pending Flat Belly Fix tea that you can make right in your own kitchen. You're going to want to add this to your morning routine. Drinking 1 cup of this delicious hot beverage in the morning sets you up to burn more fat than 45 exhausting minutes on the treadmill. When you enroll in the program, I'll give you immediate access to my secret fat-burning tea recipe. You'll learn the exact ratio of spices and ingredients designed to turn your body into a white fat-destroying machine. Click the link in the description for complete details.